In this video, I'll show you how to make a digital questionnaire on Airtable. Once you were on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, click on workspaces. From here, this will be the list of all of your workspaces, and you want to choose a workspace where you want to put the questionnaire to. So let's say on my first workspace on the right-hand side, click on create. From here, we will just simply build an app on our own, and that will automatically take you to the table itself. So from here at the top in the left corner, we can simply change this to, let's say, a survey. Now for the survey, this is where you can add the exact primary key that you want to get. So for the survey, let's say the survey will be the name, since the people who will answer my questions will automatically be a guest. Now on the rest of the fields in here, we will add the questions. So what you can do is simply click on a field. And when you click on a field, you want to hold shift and click the last field in order for you to select all of it. Right click at the bottom, choose to delete the 5 fields. And once you're done, as you can see, you only have the primary key left. Now, the next step is to add your questions. So from here, click on add field. And at the bottom, this is where you can choose which type of field it is they want to be a question. So let's say our question will be either a multi-select, single select, a single text, a long text, and even a rating, since this is a survey. So I want to make it into a rating. So at the bottom, simply choose rating. On the field name, this is optional, but we want to name it as the exact question. So within the field name, let's say, how is our communication skills? Just an example. At the bottom, you can change the style and the maximum numbers of the rating, and then click on create. And once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically add the rating. If you want to add a single select, as you can see, we will set this as the question itself. Let's say, what did you apply for? At the bottom, we can add the options such as, let's say, management, social media, finance as an example. You can change the colors and even untick the color code options. At the bottom, click on create. We can add another field, let's say a long text, and this will be their message. Now, let's say you were done with all of the questions. You've added them on the fields. The next step is to create this into a form. So on the left-hand side, you will see the grid view. At the top, click on create new. From here on the right-hand side, you want to head over to the bottom and choose a form. Within a form, simply choose the second option, which is try the form builder. And once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically organize the whole grid or the whole view into a question. So as you can see, we have here a rating. What did you apply for? At the bottom will be our options, and they can also add their message. Now for each and every field, once you click on it, on the right-hand side, you can customize them. At the same time, set them as a required field in order for you to gather the appropriate data for your questionnaire. You can also add a character limit, let's say for a long text, but you do have to upgrade to a team plan. Once you're done, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on publish. And once you click on publish, it will open up a new window. And from here, this will be the area where you can choose to either share this form within the web. At the bottom, you will have an option to copy the link. Or on the left-hand side, you can embed this form to a website. So as you can see, this is the embed code. You can set an embed height, and it will also show you the desktop embed preview and the mobile embed preview. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.